I'm doing a brake fluid service on this BMW X3 F25 chassis. So I'm using this pump, so it's easy for me to just replace the fluid. I've put 1 liter of genuine BMW brake fluid, .4 low viscosity. It's only 15 Australian dollars per half a liter. I've put 1 liter in here. I've hooked up this hose onto the brake fluid reservoir. I'm going to start on the back brake. This is the longest distance from that master cylinder to this brake. So here is the way I'm going to bleed the brake fluid from. So that's it there. I'm just gonna put this onto that nipple, I guess what you call it, and drain 250 ml into this bottle. So I'm just gonna start pumping this, and the fluid should start running down the pipe into the reservoir. And I'm gonna pump this until about 15, as it shows there, and then I'll go to the furthest end first and release some fluid from there and monitor until I see new fluid come out, and then I'll stop the bleeding. So I've got my 10 mil spanner in place, and I'm just gonna release it a little bit to release the fluid. So there should be some fluid coming through once I turn this. So because this is the longest part, or the longest distance from the brake cylinder, I'm going to let it go down to 250 ml. I've put a marker there for 250 ml. Okay, so I waited for the color that's coming out of the pipe to change, so it's gone clearer now. So I know that I've got new fluid coming down this side. And I'll repeat the same process on the right side rear wheel. And then I'm going to do the same process again in the 2 front wheel. So this is the right hand side, right rear side. So the color has gone clearer. So I've stopped the bleeding process on this side. Okay, so I've bleeded all 4 brakes. I've released this pressure. And now I'm just going to undo this. I'll just make sure I hold this up so it doesn't bleed or leak. So I'm going to check how much is in there and if I need to top it up or not. And that would be it. Thanks for watching.